story there, and of course much more. Again, my name is Leangare, and as always, it is a pleasure to have you join us throughout the entire bulletin. My sign language interpreter tonight has been Meresha Owiti. Always a pleasure to have you with us. And before we completely leave you, I just want to tell you exactly what to expect in tomorrow's weather forecast. We see there a general outlook, speaking of mostly sunny and dry with warm daytime temperatures, and Nairobi and nearby regions are indeed expected to remain dry and sunny over the next several days, according to the Kenya Meteorological Department, with only, of course, occasional rain in a few areas. So the weather seems to be a bit favorable, typical of January. And we'll just leave you with a look at the forecast of tomorrow's weather. Have a good night, and God bless you.